Welcome everyone. Today we are going to shopping. We want to buy a film camera. I'll saw one and we are going to second-hand shopping mall first, right after the breakfast. In our location there is a lot of lovely cafes and we are going to one. Its name on the way. We are going there like third time or fourth time during our stay in that area. Good breakfast, good coffee, very cheap and looks cozy. Allah likes it as well. It was amazing breakfast. I really like this place because stir-fried pork with basil is top-notch here and coffee as well. And now we are going on a taxi to second-hand shopping mall. And the ride will take around 40 minutes. Way too long, way too long. But I hope we will buy two good film cameras today. And one more backpack for me and maybe some clothes.
Yesterday we saw some cameras and we want to buy this one.
We almost arrived. We used to live in a place where we could just walk anywhere or use BTS. But riding somewhere within the city on a taxi for 42 minutes is a novel experience for us. Usually we do a BTS or boat. I thought we almost arrived, but turns out we're in 1 more 10 minutes traffic jam. Okay, thank you. Driver told us that on this road there is an accident, so we can't drive in. Funny thing that my first vlog was in this shopping mall and year of the last in Bangkok will be here as well, but with much better quality, I hope. Ella found a new place with gifts. She wants to give her parents something of that sort for collection. We need something crazy. No, достаточно новые. Значит, они бы столько не стоили. Или можно ему рестлеру подарить. Originally we thought that that's it, that's all cameras. We changed place of cameras and there are a lot more of film cameras and we want to buy one. On third floor in this shopping mall, quite a lot. Видишь, все на месте.
Так, наша локтя.
Вот она, Canon.
Ага, вот она.
Yesterday we spent here a few hours to decide which one to buy. Alla looked for specifications of the cameras and I told her that you need to look for a wipe of the camera. We spent so much time deciding what to buy and we just learned that they actually don't work and you need to fix something in them. And we need to go to another shop where cameras actually works, not that far. So hard to find a camera. We want this camera. Work?
Yeah. This on flat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it is closed and it is on.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
looks nice. Actually, this shopping mall is 4 or 5 floors of good stuff. So if you're in Bangkok, I highly recommend you to visit at least once, because always fun, always good things.
And we bought this camera.
Yes. Canon Afterboy. We are done with second-hand shopping mall, and now we are heading to Central Lat Phrao to buy a backpack and maybe some more stuff and film for our new film camera to test it. Hopefully we will make some photos here while we are still in Bangkok and print them once we're out. We arrived at Central Lat Phrao, and the thing that surprises me the most here is the amount of people. It's way more than in Central World and way more than in Siam Paragon and any other shopping malls that I visited. Way too popular. Our first stop is to buy a new backpack for me. My previous one broken a little bit, and usually it's hard for me to find a new one. But this time I just found a perfect backpack. It's so nice to touch it because it feels so comfy. I will show it to you. First of all, it has no laptop compartment, and it also has a big area for other stuff. And it weighs almost nothing. But I need to choose only one of them. Да, он такой очень мягкий. They bought for me a new backpack, and now it's time to buy new one for Alla. Покажите-ка сумочка.
Я не знаю насчет этого или еще какой-то. Посмотрю.
Yeah, I like that it has so many compartments, have a bottle holder, and so comfy to touch. The only downside that I can't remove this one, but I can just break it because I never use it. Yeah, other than that, perfect backpack, even with key holder, detachable. SOS. First candidate for Ella's new bag, and she's looking for second one. On a hunt. Candidate. I love when she is buying practical bags because it's inconvenient when she buys a too small one and I need to carry all of the stuff. And seems like first candidates won this race. Or not.
Yes.
Okay.
Тоже как будто бы. We have to check this product was from
Okay, okay.
yeah.
Можно проверить? It's okay. We trust.
You the best thing.
Thank you. Just got a lovely conversation in the shop. Maybe I got one more subscriber and maybe other two. New random event with some celebrities. Можно вот такие взять.
Можно, да, вот можем какой-нибудь.
Или взять напиточки десерта.
меня как бы сфотографировал в кавычках, потому что у нас нет пленки со вспышкой, я чуть не ослепла, сейчас увидите. Не знаю, на камере это передалось или нет, но у меня после этой вспышки этот квадрат такой светлый перед глазами.
We just learned that on our new film camera we can't change ISO of film inside because the display is broken. We don't know if we can fix it or not, but 400 ISO is not that bad, I guess. We will try it somehow. And backpack is absolutely comfy. I have pockets for everything. I even can store camera between shots comfortably. And now we are heading to Siam Paragon for second session of shopping. We arrived to Siam Paragon. Now it's time to buy film for camera, power bank to charge Alice's phone and camera, and figure out how to use film camera. Смотри, какая штука.
И вот тут вот тоже.
Some event of selling cameras and lenses. Тут Fujifilm. Блин, кстати, выглядит вообще стильно.
Да, но она такая по-толстому сделана.
Finally, pocket free in stock, and even creator combo. When we arrived to Bangkok, we tried to buy pocket free for a few weeks, and it was out of stock for nearly a year, maybe in every shop, except of Facebook market, and for some reason second-hand markets where we bought used one. It's so heavy and nice to touch. I love to touch and look for cameras, but I have no idea what I'm doing. Also, it looks like nice, but for some reason we found a flash card inside. It don't turn on. There's no flash card. So yes, maybe if we had such event when I bought a camera, I would buy a different one with image stabilization built in the camera.
Говоришь, одноразовые, да, фотоаппараты?
Эти, может быть, но не уверен.
Но они похожи на те, которые я на шее.
Да. Ну, они же такие дешевые. So we found film. This one or this one? Здесь типа весенние цвета пишет. Летние цвета. А здесь просто цвета. Какие?
Давай весенние. А там одинаковые?
Осенние и летние.
Тогда вот это. А там одинаковое количество кадров?
Как будто бы да.
Здесь тут 6, а там 24. Давай вот эту кодек возьму.
Ну давай.
Купили вот такое на 36 кадров. Стоит они, конечно, не дешево, но здесь, в принципе, много кадров. Я думаю, что у нас будет право на ошибку, если мы не сразу разберемся, как вообще фотографировать на эту камеру. Вот это хитро. Айфоны, блин, просто новый цвет выпускают какой-нибудь.
Не додумались. We need to have a power bank. Это как будто бы сзади, типа вот магнитик. Это как у нас были.
Да, 40, 70. А, это разок.
Ala's camera with a new power bank. Now it's time for lunch. In Siam Paragon we have a favorite hotpot place. It looks expensive, but actually not that much, because if you get their set or go with your friends, it would be amazing meal for a good price. Place for hotpot. Can we have two?
На ножку только.
This one, shabu shabu, beef gourmet premium A5 Japanese. They work in Australia.
Wagyu beef, sukiyaki soup, some vegetables, egg sauce. You need to mix it together. It will be a little bit spicy, but nice with meat. And hot green tea. Service here is so polite, and actually it's not that much more expensive than average hot pot in other places, but taste is good.
Очень нежное мясо лучше. Кайф во рту.
After tasty lunch, we have even less strength that we had before. It's 7 p.m. already, and we didn't bought even a half of what we wanted to buy. But hopefully we loaded film camera and we'll take a few pictures in Nintendo shop. Socks, t-shirts. Кстати, какой у меня нет? Вот это и вот это.
Ну их, да, вот это не было, в прошлый раз размера не было, может, будет что?
Ella found new pair of sport clothes for me. Now it's time for H&M. More things we buy, less convenient it's to walk around with it. And I recorded so much that I have just 4 minutes of recording left. No luck in H&M. Actually, I never could buy anything there because nothing fits me. Now we have only one last item for today is buying Nintendo Joy-Cons and taking a first picture on our film camera inside. Recently we bought Rock X, but I still like Nintendo because it's way more convenient. And I think maybe I will buy a second version after half a year or so. But once I heard about new pricing model of Nintendo, I am not sure that much.
Больных ставить любые цены.
Here in Nintendo shop they sell it in disc packages instead of putting real product on the shelf, but it's kind of more compact and less work for them. I got my legacy of Nintendo Switch and deciding which new Joy-Con to buy.
I like the pencil on it.
Ой, можешь меня сфоткать вот с этой штукой на голове?
2,690.
2000?
Yeah.
700. Also, it looks nice to be in Nintendo shop. Actually, I never was inside shop before. I think if I go to bigger one, it will be even more fun. You can also play here. Who needs an alarm for a gaming console? I don't know. if I can compare Nintendo Switch with newer consoles or like Steam Deck or Asus ROG Ally X. Yes, it's less powerful, games are more expensive, but user experience is so much better. It was a long day, and it's time to put an end of today's shopping. We bought a lot, and tomorrow I will do it again. See you tomorrow. I wanted to make a video of second day of shopping, but yesterday I was way too tired. I would say that making a vlog and making fun, easy. Walking around and making a vlog, easy. Doing shopping and making a vlog, it's way too hard because once you bought something, you carry it in your hands and you want to look for clothes, you're looking for them, trying to record it, it adds one more level of complication. So today I just bought way more than yesterday. Full set of clothes for me, full set of clothes for Ala. Didn't bought sneakers. Surprisingly, in Center World it was hard to find clothes that fit us both. And in the same time we found it in completely unexpected place. I bought a pair of jeans from Levi's and from a brand named High School or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.